Hi there, and welcome to the Wisdom of Whitehawk, where the collective consciousness known to us as Whitehawk offers a bridge to find purpose and meaning in your life, to follow your path wherever it takes you, with loving guidance. Alan Herring channels Whitehawk, and Gail expands on the teachings. Enjoy this episode.
Thank you for joining us. What a beautiful day again. As we were saying, there's expansiveness in recognizing a beautiful day, whatever that means to you. There's been plenty of conversations about moving and expanding and shifting and reassessing where you are at the moment. And we've just got a message for you. Be resilient in that. That has been the word that's been coming up again and again, conversation with us and Alan, being resilient, mentally, physically, emotionally, vibrationally. Physical resilience, just means that one step forward and not stepping backwards, but stepping forward and stepping forward. And a step could be 1 meter, it could be 1 foot. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as you're feeling as if you're moving forward and making a difference in your life and in the life of others. Resilience in your mental approach, it is just that tenacity to understand that by applying oneself in a nice, easygoing mental state, and you're able to work it out, that by doing this work, you can move forward in a peaceful, harmonious, blissful, loving way. And mentally means that you just get up every day. You make your bed. You go off to work. You go to your business. You go about, finishing off that painting, writing that new song. And you're just going to do that every single day. And of course, when you overlay that with the emotionality attached to it, it gives you that passion. If you feel the passion in what you're doing, it elevates the emotion of it. You feel so much better when you have that tenacity, that resilience. And resilience means it doesn't matter what comes your way, good or bad, you can deal with that. And having an understanding that this is the path that you're on and that it is unfolding as you go. And these are the little manifestations of challenges that are happening so that you can reassess and reaffirm and realize that this is a better path that you're on, and an expansive path. We talk about a better path. It's probably not the best word. It is an expansive path, and therefore it is better. So the initial thing, it isn't necessarily a better path, but an expansive path. And by expanding, in that state of continual expansion, that is about resilience. And it's that robustness, that no matter how things are, what sort of issues are thrown at you, that you can take them on board, understand this is the story at this particular moment that will take you forward. And each and every cog of that wheel is turning. And if it is turning, then you're in the right space. We get too far ahead of ourselves a lot of times as humans. So that's the conversation that people have had. We are too far ahead. But individually, people have their own journey. And as this energy is coming through, it is shining that light on resilience to say, this is a good thing. And this is the path you want to go on. Whether you want abundance, you want a new house, you want a push bike, you want a better relationship, you want to have better travels. It is just having that resilience when it's not happening straight away. We have a thought, and hopefully it's an inspired thought, then you move forward on that and act upon that inspired thought. We've said that before. Act upon your inspired thoughts and the synchronicities will come. And when those synchronicities come, the resilience becomes easy. It's not even an issue. just having that tenacity each and every day, each and every week, each and every year, just to get through, moving towards your goals. So that's been the conversation with different people, and particularly with Alan too. This is the message with him, and this is where it's at. It's having that, just getting up and moving towards that expansive you.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you'd like to know more about the wisdom of Whitehawk, you can go to www.wisdomofwhitehawk.com. Thanks for joining us.